Hello there. Yes, you've been taken off the holder this time. This is my other workbench I have. Going to see if I can tighten it up a little bit. But first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut. Can I get focus? Going to cut as much of the pins as possible. Then I'm going to take and tighten fasten this one nails board to here, so I have it steady, and then I'm going to heat it up and pull the pins, as you say. And I'm going to do that in both pins. Both pins, I mean these 6 and these 3. I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to show you some footage on the way. So yeah, I hope it turns out right. Okay, so far so good. It looks like a mess, I know, but I'll get it pretty and ready for soldering onto the quadcopter. I have bent and twisted and cut the little pieces here off, and now I'm going to take my soldering iron and trying to remove them. Alright, I have removed the 3-pin now. Nothing on the rear and nothing on the front. As you may notice, there is still some tin, which I'm going to remove as much as I can with the tin sucker, like so. Don't know if you can see it on the video, but now there is a nice hole. Not that I need the hole, but I just like to have a good start. I am of course going to apply some tin and the wires for each one of them on the opposite side when I get to that. The only one I'm most interested in is actually the buzzer, so I can find my quad again. But now I will remove the other 6 pins. Take some time, but that's the way to do it when you're a little bit too fast. Halfway there, I have removed 3 times 3, and I need another 3 times 3 pins. The way I do it is that I take the my tool here and I grab the side while I heat up the other side, and then I pull it out when it's heated up. So let's continue. Voila! All the pins have been removed. Successful operation. This is just some of the tin that I removed from the board after the pins were pulled. So it is officially ready for mounting. And I'm going to use there is only 2, there is a minus and there is a signaling. So I'm going to need the minus and this top one. I think it is it's just a symbol for signal, I guess. I don't know if you can see it like that. I'm going to use those 2, but I'm going to use all 4 of them, plus I'm going to use another one for powering the board. Whoopsie. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, which I'm going to use, and then I'm having number 6. I'm guessing going to use for powering the board. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I cut it a little bit in it. It is a bit hard to and a bit boring for you to see that I pull 3 times 6 pins plus 2 times 3 pins. So I hope it's okay. If any questions, ask me. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.